Hey YouTube, uh, welcome to the video. On today's video we are going to be replacing the head unit or radio on my Suzuki Kei, just because the one that came with the vehicle is a cheaper unit, so I've gone replacing it with one that's got more features, more period correct for the vehicle, and allows me to control my iPod as well. That was a big thing. So also allow me to add a cup holder into it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.
told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Alright, so it's day 2 of working on the key. Today I'm actually going to be putting the radio back in and putting some of the wiring for the subwoofer into the vehicle. Other than that, I won't really be doing much, just as it is a cold day. And in future videos, I will be actually rerunning the route for the turbo timer and getting that all back together, as well as putting in an aftermarket steering wheel. So let's get on with today. Alright, and with that, got the new radio in along with a cup holder, which I bought off Amazon, which will make the vehicle so much better for me. Just because having no real cup holders that can hold drinks of a decent size, it's a bit frustrating from time to time. So with that being said, and all in, take a look at this. Right there is the radio, along with the cup holder and a little coin tray. Got this guy off of Amazon for about 20 bucks. The next video I will actually be working on getting the rest of the trim back in. Also pulling my turbo time, which is actually in behind the dash here. Bringing it out, it's gonna actually sit right about in this area here on the gauge, in front of the gauge cluster. Also mount up this guy. And then I'll be adding in a voltmeter, and most likely be finding a wideband sensor to go in there, in that spot right there, along with my to fill up my gauge pods. This vehicle is actually going to be trying to get it done for a car show that's in the end of June, beginning of July, around that point. It is actually going to be a sort of a, it is going to be a period, I'm kind of doing a period correct style build on it. So the radio is actually of the era, it's about around the late, I'd say it's from 2009 I think is when the radio's from. So it's got Bluetooth, it's got all the modern features that even can control the old iPod and everything, which is what I'm looking for. And on the outside, I will be putting on a set of rims that are period correct. I will be dealing with some of the rust spots on the vehicle. And we'll be lowering this guy. So, if you enjoyed what you saw today, feel free to hit the like and subscribe. And stay tuned for upcoming videos on the Suzuki Kei. Hope you have a good time.